it's better to be safe online. Just like when you upload a picture on the internet, it gets saved. Any information you upload in Gemini or 𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒄𝒚, they also get saved. Hi, this is Tech Talk. My name is Mubtasim Fuad Mahde, and I work at Ontik Technologies as an associate AI engineer. So we have some questions here today, and we're going to explore those questions. So my first question is, how are LLMs changing software? When we design software, it comes down to if and else conditions and stuff like that. But when we use LLM, we are creating our software to be more dynamic and make decisions on their own. So the variables are interchangeable and decisions also. This makes softwares more dynamic and easy to handle cases. How do you guide creative outputs? When we are generating outputs using LLMs, they most of the time generate text data. So in order to guide the generation of text language or human language, we have to give them context. And after giving it enough data to actually process, it can generate some information or outputs. We can also interchange those outputs by giving different prompts, different contexts, different ideas that they can leverage. That's how we can create a creative output. What worries you about LLM adoption? When we're using ChatGPT, Gemini, we are exposing ourselves. So it's better to be safe online. Just like when you upload a picture on the internet, it gets saved. Any information you upload in Gemini or 𝒂𝒃𝒂𝒏, they also get saved. So we should worry more about our privacy rather than thinking LLMs are taking over our job and stuff like that. How do LLMs extend human thinking? The problem with human thinking is we are bound to be allocated with a certain limit of data. When we are talking about something, we can only focus on a certain part of that context or data. But to LLMs, since these are machines, they have more context length, more memory capability, more understanding. They have faster processing powers and stuff like that. So LLMs do not necessarily mean they are better than human beings in terms of logic or understanding, but they are just faster. Why is Ontik Technology great for AI developers? For Ontik is actually focusing on developing AI products. It is giving us the opportunity to explore this field, to do research on it, to study it. So I think Ontik is one of the pioneers who are willing to invest and sacrifice for AI development and AI integration with the software. What's misunderstood about language models? One of the common misunderstanding of a language model is it has the capability of doing creative things or generating new novel ideas. Everything that is already existing in their database or in their system, they know that. But when we expect them to create something new, all they're doing is a certain permutation or calculation and mix and match of things. But the raw creative idea that human beings have when it comes to art, when it comes to creative writing, I don't think LLMs are really good at it. Can AI take over the world? I don't think so, because LLMs or AI, they're just tools. We are using tools to make our life easier, better. Which AI tools or models do you prefer? For building agents, we use 𝒂𝒃 or LangGraph. To automate certain workflow, we use n8n or Tray.ai. ChatGPT is very good for day-to-day tasks, but when we are doing it for code generation or debugging, we mainly use Claude. Then we have Gemini, very good for research. Other than that, we still use some other models like Ollama and Grok. Tell us about your favorite film, song, or food. I think I'm going to go for food. It's coffee because it's my go-to snack for anything. If I'm under pressure, if I'm relaxing, if I'm doing anything else, it's coffee. Okay, have a nice day.